Hey, Conor here, and welcome to Neversink Gardening Basics. We're here in the family garden. We just planted for the season, and now's the time you want to make sure that the garden is well fertilized. So I want to talk about that a little bit. And you do these like that. Here we have the leeks, and I plant them into little holes, and that's a great time to fertilize, is because it's going to get down deep, because this is a no-till, no-dig garden. And once I place the holes, I sprinkle the fertilizer on top, and they're going to get into the holes, and I put the irrigation on, and we get fertilizer nice and down deep. And then another tip is you always want to scratch it in a bit. You either can use like a trenching tool like the zipper where you're side dressing and then closing it up, or a cultivation tool where you just run along the surface and just get a little bit of that fertilizer down into the soil. Right? Because it's not going to do much on the surface, because you want the soil life to start breaking it down. And the soil life just wants that stuff to be worked in just a little bit. Right? You don't have to turn the soil, right? You just have to scratch it a little bit. Because you're using organic material, and an organic system, it's going to break down over time, right? You're not actually feeding direct nutrients, right? You're putting in organic material that breaks down, and in turn, the soil biology will incorporating into the soil and will in turn feed the plants. So that's why we're going to get it a little bit into the soil. Okay, and a good tip is to have your own personal mix of fertilizer, because I always think it's good to put a few things together. And my personal recipe includes alfalfa meal, a little feather meal, as well as seaweed and biochar, all together. And then I keep it in a bucket over inside the high tunnel where it's not going to get wet. And as I'm planting or fertilizing, it's there ready to go. And I just side dress and use it constantly, right? Because it's good to always be feeding that soil. All right, so thanks for watching, and if you want to see more videos, definitely subscribe.